Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.